Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 04, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by Ace.
Steve.
Yeah.
Outside the Kaizer Chiefs, man.
Maybe
the best team in Africa.
The best team in Africa?
Yeah, the best team in Africa.
The best team in Africa 4, Orbit 1.
Yeah.
Ikaizer senibiza kanjalo lo wazi.
He's the best.
He's the best.
Because angithi kunama drop out.
Yeah.
Yeah, kunama drop out eCAF.
Pirates.
Yeah. Azange ngisho igama labantu.
Yeah, mina ngelishi.
Ngithi mina kunama drop out eCAF.
Pirates.
So thina sema drop out. Thina siyaqhubeka.
Sasekho.
Yeah, abanye baze basho. Bathi iKaizer Chiefs ayidlalela iCaptain Star, idlalela iChampions League Light.
Yeah.
Okusala sibamele.
Yeah.
Okusala sibamele. Yeah, sibamele.
Yeah.
Speti flag.
Yeah.
All right. Kila menu grand mnganami.
Grand bijamona right.
Ngiright mnganami. Ubusozwini.
Ukuthini mfana kithi?
Ubusozwini indaba za namhlanje ukuthi iCAF iconfirmini.
Ukuthini? Confirm ini?
Ukuthi iPirates izobuya ilwinile icala.
Oh! Well done, well done. Hey. Well done. iPirates iwinile icala iyabuya. Ibuya nini konje mngani wami?
Izobuya next year.
Oh, next season. Iyodlala iCAF mngani wami?
Next season yeCAF.
Oh, le 2026 and 2027.
Yeah, kodwa kunemigomo nemibandela ukubuyeni kwayo.
Ithini mngani wami lemgomo nemibandela?
If izoba number 2 or number 1.
Baminyele, babhizi babhalelana namalentuzana neCAF ukuthi bafuna ukubuyela. Kanti bobuyela ngemigomo nemibandela. But in advance, congratulations Orlando Pirates ukuthi niyabuyela kuCAF next year. But nisebenze kanzima ukuthi at least bangene ku number 1 or number 2.
Number 1 or number 2.
Or abathatha iNetbank nebazoya le
if bazoyithatha iNetbank, we're not sure.
Yeah.
Angeke ngikhumbula amagama akho khila uthi ukhuluma ngegame in hand, but asinama game in hand ezoyithatha ileague wathi wena khila. Intombi mayikuthembisile ukuthi izoqoma.
Akusho ukuthi iqomile.
Akusho ukuthi iqomile. Nafuthi namakunike inamba ukuthi iqomile.
Yeah, samela usiba.
Yeah, uyahluleka kuyiphethe inamba.
Yabo. Man,
so
yazi into engicakayo wena mngani wami Ace. Into engicakayo i1 mpinjama ukuthi iPirates beminyile ne?
Yeah.
Iminya njani ngekho ku number 2? Iminya njani inganayo i22 point.
Yeah.
Mara iminyile.
No. Ikinga iPirates mnganami. Ikinga iPirates mnganami. Abafuni ukuthi thina abafuni ukuthi siphumelele namhlanje. Ngoba angithi bayazi ukuthi nizofaka under pressure bazocosha no coach. Yeah, bazozobetha ucoach yabheda ntontoni ngoba kusasa bohlafuna amanga kwamnqethi.
Bobashaya kusasa.
Kusasa iUvers killer man.
Ejo Arrows Pirates.
Arrows ulungisa umhlanga.
No,
samanqoba.
No, kusasa iUvers indaba.
Amara mngani wami la usindwa yini la? Yini into esinda la? Upha ikapa. Akusikapa mfethu yabona la. Uke wasibona isikhwama sePirates siso thina sifaka ama 3 point la iPirates ayina sikhwama oy uke wasibona thina sifaka ama 3 point la
Sibo yazi kunenye into angi-understand yazi bathi iPirates bathi
ngithukela ikara
yazi bathini
lo muntu udriver ngathi udriver into zakhe
kunenye into
uzokushayisa my fucking car lapha yana hey
kunabo KG amakhosi amakhulu bebekhuluma last week bathi Pirates iyadlala, Pirates is the best intondoni. But okay, njengami ke ngahamba ngobheka lokho. Angiboni into bayikhulumayo.
Awuyiboni.
Angiboni.
Yeah.
Angiboni lento. Ya lento ifana nani? Ifana ukuthi kunentombi ezinhle ekhaya. Azishadanga. Ngapha kunentombi ezinhle, izintombi ezimbi zishadile. So uma uthi yabuka lento lena man, uba confused.
Ngiyakubaba.
Kahle kahle kunabantu aba confused.
KG is confused.
Intombi lezi ukuthiwa zikho izinto zishadile. Intombi ezinhle lezi azishadanga. So wena mayibuka lento le uvela ube confused.
Hayi mngani wami, hayi ukuthi usuka hayi ukuthi usuka confused uKG ne. Uyabona kukhona lo ukuthi mawungezwe intombazane ikhuluma iEnglish bese uthi ayinhle le ntombazane bese uzwa le ikhuluma isintu bese uthi ayimbi leya. Ngiyanganasana. So ngamanye amagama uma ushela intombazane ngeEnglish ungashesha uqonywe mfethu yabo but wakhuluma ngesizulu sazonijikeze ujikeleze ekudeni before uzoqonywa but mina ngiya-understand mina mngani wami
Because they say but Kaizer Chiefs the weak team. Besina 19 point.
Sure.
Sesikhuluma ngepast. Yeah, besina 19 point na bena 19 point. Yabo but Kaizer Chiefs is the weak team. Today sesilingana neSundowns.
Boy.
Yeah, still abanye basathi Chiefs bidlane obit it's a weak team. But abanye bakhona bedlane obit bawina 1-0. Bestrugglisha obit babambi engekho futhi engekho salinga.
Esikotini.
Thina why mahlana ama team bathi it's a weak team, mahlana amaZulu it's a weak team, mahlana
Abukhanye indoda.
akusibokhanye kuphela. Ama-journalists, baningi nama-journalists.
Khona nalengoma leyo khona nalengoma lena mngani wami ethi asina ndaba nePirates thina sihlele phezulu asina ndaba nePirates thina sihlele sihlele phezulu thina sihlele phezulu hlele phezulu thina sihlele phezulu hlele phezulu thina sihlele phezulu asina ndaba nePirates asina ndaba nePirates hlele phezulu
Thina
lokuthi uyibheka so iPirate manje ile kunamba 4 abantu ile so
5.
down there.
deep down there
You number 5.
Magopa kakhulu yazi.
Ingathi yale number 9 yona manje le season. So
Thank you days. Thank you days.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?